Well, welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import API in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to pull external data directly into your spreadsheet, whether it's from a database, web service, or any other source that provides API access. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to set up the API integration, as this will ensure all your work is saved in the right place. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. From here, you can either open an existing spreadsheet where you want to import the API data or create a brand new one. If you're starting fresh, just click on the option to create a new spreadsheet. This will open up a blank Google Sheet ready for your data integration. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, look toward the top of the screen and click on Extensions. This menu is where you'll find all the tools and add-ons that extend Google Sheets functionality. From the drop-down menu, click on Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This action will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse and install various extensions. In the Marketplace search bar, type API link. This is the add-on we'll be using to bring API data into your sheet. Once you find it in the search results, click on it to open the add-ons details page. Here you'll see information about what it does and how it works. Go ahead and click Install to begin the installation process. A confirmation dialog will appear asking for permissions. This is standard procedure for any add-on that needs to access your Google Sheets data. Click Continue to proceed. You'll then be prompted to log into your account again to verify your identity. Click Continue once more to move forward. Next, you'll see a list of permissions that the add-on is requesting. These typically include access to your spreadsheets and the ability to connect to external services. Check all the checkboxes to grant the necessary access, then click Continue. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. This usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient as the system processes everything. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a confirmation message. You can go ahead and close this dialog box. Now it's time to actually use the add-on. At the top of your spreadsheet, click on Extensions again, then find and click on API link from the menu. From the submenu that appears, click Start. This will activate the add-on. The API link interface will now appear on the right side of your screen. This is your control panel for managing API connections. Click on New to create a new API connection. A form will pop up asking for details. In the name field, input a descriptive name for your API connection so you can easily identify it later. Then, in the API URL field, paste or type the API link you want to use. This is the endpoint from which your data will be pulled. Once you've filled in both fields, click Create, and that's it. Your API is now imported and connected to your Google Sheet. The data should start populating based on the API you've linked. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.